Need to fix iPhone if you can't hear calls unless the speaker is on? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So let's get started on how you can fix this issue. The very first thing you should try doing is simply move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and head over to accessibility. Move into touch. In this page, scroll all the way down and you'll see the option of call audio routing. Tap on it. You can see the settings is set to automatic. Now what you need to do is simply set the settings to speaker. Once you have enabled the settings, now the next thing you need to try doing is go back and swipe down the screen. Inside Control Center, you have to make sure that the Bluetooth is turned off. If any of the devices connected in the Bluetooth, then it might be the reason that you're facing the issue. So make sure that the Bluetooth is turned off and it should fix the issue. If not, try restarting your device by tapping and holding on this assistive touch, and then click on restart. Restarting the device has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.